What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a cartoon illustration of Jason from Friday the 13th. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. Start from the very top of the middle, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now we want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So let's start by lining up the top of that circle. I want to bring that down towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. Let's add a thick edge along the outside of the eye. Starting from the top, I'm just going to pull this in along the side, come down, and then bend that in towards the bottom. Now I'm going to switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of each eye. Now from here we're going to move to the center and draw a bump for the nose. Starting along the bottom, I'm just going to add a short curve coming down and then up. Now let's move up and draw another curve in the opposite direction for the bridge of the nose. Let's leave a gap on the side of the eyes and draw two straight lines coming down the side of the straps. From the top and bottom, draw a straight line going out. I'm going to close off the outside with a straight line to create a rectangle. In the center of each rectangle, let's draw an oval or button. Now from the bottom of each strap, we're going to curve the bottom of the head. We're going to come down, in towards the middle, go across, and then bend that up on the right. Let's go to the top of the straps and curve the mask going up and then in, leaving a gap in the center. So we'll start on the left. Go straight up, and then we'll bend that in to right about there. Let's line this up over on the right. We're going to go out, bend this around, and then down. Now on the side, we're going to step down, draw a line going up towards the top of the strap. Close off the top of the straight line, and then close off the bottom. Let's add an oval along the bottom of the rectangle. Now you can see the outside edge of the head along the side of the mask. From the top of the strap, we're going to step down, curve this around, come down. Now I'm just going to bend this in towards the side. Let's go to the right. Going all the way around, come down, and then in. And now we're going to add some detail around the mask. Let's start with that point in the center. Start with a point in the middle. Angle this up and out toward the left and right side. Close off the top with a straight line. Let's add a dart across the bottom. Start with a straight angle line coming down the side, starting underneath the eyes. Flatten off the bottom with a straight angle line. Now connect the top and bottom. Now we're going to add some holes inside the mask. Let's start by adding 4 in the center. So on the left, draw 1 circle, add 1 on the right, and then 2 along the bottom. Let's add 2 holes along the side, start from the bottom, and then the top. Let's add 2 on either side. Move up and draw 2 more. Now along the outside of the head, let's add another hole. Move up, draw another one. Now in between, we're going to step in and add 1 more. Let's go ahead and fill the inside of each hole in black. Now with the mask complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start on the left side, just underneath the head, bend the body going out, and then down towards the hip. Let's line this up over on the right, going out, and then down towards the same height. Let's connect the hips with the curve, going down, and then up. Now I'm going to draw a straight line coming down the center, starting underneath the mask, come all the way down towards the bottom. Let's go back up to the top, draw two angled lines coming down the side of the collar, angle this back up and out underneath the head. Let's add some buttons on the right side of that center line. Start from the top, add one small circle, step down, and add one more on the bottom. Now in the center, we're going to step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out, and then down toward the left heel, go to the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And now we're going to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the left side, bend the foot, coming down and then up. Let's round out the top of the foot, starting from the outside, go up, and then bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and we'll just curl that back up on the inside. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw the outside leg. From the hips, we're going to step in, bend the leg, going out, and then down on top of the feet. And then we'll add a thick sole on the bottom. We'll take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw the inside edge of the arms. Let's start halfway down the side of the body, curve this out, and then down towards the wrist. And we'll line that up on the right. Now on the left side, we're going to have him holding the machete. From the wrist, let's draw the thumb, and bend this in, and then back out. And then from here, we draw a half circle, going up, and then down towards the outside. Let's add 3 fingers along the outside. And go up, bend that in, step down towards the side, go around the side, and we'll do that one more time. Now I want to bend the arm coming back up and in underneath the head. Let's connect the outside of the wrist to the inside with a curve for the cuff. Let's place the machete in behind the hand. From this point in the finger, come down at an angle, and then bend that out. Now I'm going to curve this around, and just pull that up towards a point in the thumb. Along the top, let's add a curve for the handle. Now along the bottom, I'm just going to add some blood. Just going to add a wave going all the way around, and then up, and then we'll add a spot. Now I'm going to go back over towards the right side and draw on the hand, starting with the thumb with a half circle, close off the end with a bracket. From the bottom of the thumb, let's add the first finger and come down and up around that bracket. Let's add 2 more fingers along the outside, going out and then up. The third finger, we're just going to blend this into the arm, going up and pull that in underneath the head. Let's separate the cuff with a curve. And then I'm going to go back and add 2 pockets along the side of the body. Let's start from the left and right side with a straight line coming in, come straight down, and then go straight out towards the side. Let's add a flap across the top with 2 straight lines. Then we'll sign an art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Jason Voorhees from Friday the 13th. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. We've got some exciting news to share with all of you. We're offering a variety of incredible options to level up your art skills. Join our exclusive masterclass memberships for just $1 a month, or catch more free tutorials on our Excel sketch channel every week. Don't miss out on any of these amazing opportunities, so subscribe or join today.